What's going on, family? This is not financial advice. Do your own research. When it comes to the stocks you choose, man, we're giving out free game for you. Man, I just want to put you guys up on a banger that I found. I did some research on is Occidental Petroleum Corporation. This is bigger time frame. I do like this stock for a long-term play, but I will be swing trading this as well. So do your research on this play. This might be a great swing trade for you, or if you like the company, a great buy. So check this out. You're currently down negative 1.37% on the day, but this is a great stock to look into. I do want to mention that I sold all my Lucid today. Sold all my Lucid. I sold all my Citigroup, and I sold all my my FAS, my financials ETF, and I bought the wheat play that I told you about the other day, the ETF and the oil ETF. I bought that about a week ago. So I am making money on both of those. I will be dollar cost averaging in all the way up to my target. I'll be swing trading both of those. So just to keep you guys updated on these plays, hit the like and subscribe button, man. I got some great uh, catalysts for these stocks. Man, I do want to show you what I found in this market today. I took 2 trades today, and it was a great trading day today. So I want to show you what I found in the overnight. This is the 5-minute chart. As you see, that I traded the SPY today is down negative 2.95% on the day. So this is my technical analysis of the S&P today. So as you can see, they had the gap to be filled this morning. They didn't let us get any of that money. How selfish of them. They don't want you to get no easy money in this market, man. I'm telling you, that would have been the easiest trade probably of the month. So huge gap. So they traded sideways. They came into this range, as you can see down here at the bottom. That was the first range. So as you can see, Monday open at the bottom of the screen. So Monday they traded sideways, came down. That was the high of the day. That was the low of the day, as you can see. So the sideways all the way up until what time was that? They came up here. So this time it was about 7 o'clock, right? 7 o'clock. They broke out of this range. So that's where they're at 7. They came up. They trended up. Good, nice trend channel up. They broke and they made a new extreme to the high. So that filled the gap. So I'm going to show you exactly what I saw this morning. I saw a 2-tier range. They came up there and they immediately stopped. The market opened right here. So as you can see, they didn't waste any time selling this market off. So that was my first trade of the day. So after the 2 legs up, they met the resistance, they filled the gap. So this is what I saw. It was a sign that this was a range day. They came all the way, they came all the way to the top of the 2-tier range. They filled that gap and they instantly sold off. They didn't waste any time. Huge candle sell off. They pushed below the moving average. That first arrow is my first trade. So after that trade, I rode it all the way down till about what area is that? 4260 area. 4260 area. So I didn't even wait till it got all the way to the bottom. So 4260-ish area, I got out. So that was the trend channel. So I noticed, as you can see, I drew my trend channel here. This was the channel that I saw this morning. They never made a new low. So they came back and they touched that moving average. They made 2 legs up. That second arrow is my second trade. The first leg up, pull back, second leg up. They touched the moving average. And as you can see, on the right side of that big old green candle right there, where that arrow is pointing, I entered on the other side of that candle. So as soon as I seen that bearish candle, I entered. So I was able to ride it all the way down to 42.40. That was the low of the day, and I immediately got out. So I didn't get none of that free money. Could have stayed in, but as you know, next time they'll come back and take your profits. So I just took my 2 trades for the day. Nice easy day today. So as you can see, they're still selling off. So I want to show you what my next target is for tomorrow. I'm still in my options trades on Palantir. So I'm still in that trade. So Palantir has been jumping up and down, round and round. So should have been out, but as you know, this market is volatile. Man, it's volatile. So this is my target for tomorrow. The lows, which is 4,100. That's my target for tomorrow. And I will be expecting a bounce there. So they might break those lows, though. I wouldn't be surprised. But I do want to show you this trend channel that I found on the daily. They touched it to the tick, to the T, man. So I'm gonna show you this on the 4 hour. I'm gonna show you this on the 4 hour. It looks much better on the 4 hour. So let me just show you this real quick. Show you this 4 hour time frame. Look how perfectly that fits, man. Look how perfectly that fits, man, from the highs all the way down till now. So when you see the price coming out of this trend channel, that is called a overshoot. They overshot the channel, which led to the bounce. It was oversold. Anytime this market's come down in a straight line, it's oversold. So it was way oversold. As you can see, that was the first bounce. They came back in the trend channel. They made 2 legs up and they broke the trend channel right here. As you can see, came back down, bounced in the bottom, bounced back up to it, and then they overshot it again, which led to another bounce in a sideways market. So that's what we've been in, this sideways market right now. So we've been in this range since the 25th until now, and they finally broke out. So they're coming back down to test those lows, man. So I will be expecting some type of bounce there short term. So they keep overshooting this channel, but I like to see the price action. So no indicators, man, just these moving averages, man. So you want to get in on the technical analysis class next, starting at the end of this month, man. Just join the Discord, subscribe to the channel, man. We get you guys going. See you guys tomorrow.